finally got sober and you're still the same person. If you've been drinking every single day, then you've learned to process your thoughts, feelings, and actions, the world, and even your dream under the influence. So without the alcohol, nothing really makes sense, and you have no real motivation to do anything. And the trippier part is you're not even excited about the fact that you're not drinking, because deep down you actually still want to drink. Even though you're not craving it, you still feel like there's a piece of you that's missing. Maybe if I just numb all of those thoughts, I'll be able to get to the bottom of why I'm really depressed. The sad part about that, as we drink more and more alcohol to reach that space that we're seeking, we're actively lowering our mental health. You may have started drinking for one reason, but you've continued drinking for a totally different reason. You've traumatized yourself for so long that the pain actually gives you purpose, and that purpose gives you a reason to drink. But that's also the thing that we have to escape from. It's so imperative that we actually start locating and seeing the truth about where they are and where they're going. Because your trauma and the reason you drink doesn't change the fact that you drink. In typical therapy sessions, you may figure out why you feel the way you do, but when you actually determine the who is drinking, not the why you're drinking, you start to realize that you've been performing under the illusion of a version of you that you think you had to be. This is another way of saying you've put on the mask of a survivor, but we have to take that mask off when we're looking to thrive. You can't thrive in a survival mode. But if surviving is all you know, how do you generate joy unless there was some pain and chaos that happened first? And sobriety is a lonely journey, but so is success. And that's why we give ourselves permission to drink more water and sit with ourselves and allow the emotions to come through. Because an emotion can't hurt you. It may not feel very good, but your brain's not going to explode because you felt something. Not drinking doesn't change who you are. And who you are isn't the problem. But the version of you that is continuing to struggle is the version of you that doesn't need to be here any longer. You're outgrowing that version of yourself, and that is okay and necessary. You can give all your attention to the problem and attempt to fix your trauma and hope that just not drinking alcohol is going to fix why you continue drinking. Or you could actively put the same exact amount of energy into growing through your sobriety and becoming someone that appreciates the struggle and is now a happier, healthier person that does not struggle with toxicity. That's what I help people do every single day. And it starts with drinking water. So if you or someone you know is ready to actively transform through their state of sobriety and reach further into success and happiness than ever before, there's 4 of the most powerful sobriety resources on planet Earth right on my page.